Hello friends. So today I'm sharing a repotting of a new plant I got a day or two ago. This is a Gymnocalcium I'm gonna butcher this name. Mihanovichii. It's a Gymnocalcium. It's reddish purplish in color, and I believe it's budding up. There's a couple of buds right there. The two red popping up right there. So let's get started. This was a gift from my sister Billy. Soil's a little wet, so I'm gonna loosen it up just a little. There we go. This is a grafted plant. And the soil's coming off relatively easy. It's a little wet, but let's see. I see some nice long, strong roots for such a little plant. Plant like this, we really don't have to remove all the dirt, but I always like to check the roots really good, so I try to get as much dirt off as possible. Besides, this wet soil, it feels like soil. I like to get them out of soil and put them in gravel. They tend to grow better in gravel, I think. These are really interesting plants. I have two of them. I have a red one that also I got as a gift. And then I have a yellow one that I had a cutting of that I grafted myself, and it's been taking pretty good. When they don't have any green in the plant, it's hard for them to root on their own. So that's why people graft these. They grow better off of a stalk, like so. So not bad. Not a lot of roots, but not bad roots. So I chose this purple pot. I thought that might have nice contrast with the purple color in the plant itself. This pot was a decorative pot, and I had to drill a hole in it, so give it a little drainage. So we'll start by putting in the screen. Drop that in there, and then we're gonna add a little gravel on the bottom. I always use gravel just to have extra drainage on the bottom, and that way we don't have to worry about the roots sitting in gravel, sitting in water, I mean. So we'll add a little soil, gravel, and then we're gonna add a little bit of fertilizer, slow releasing fertilizer. And then I always like to put a little bit of rooting hormone on the bottom. We didn't lose many roots, but why take a chance? Okay. So I always like to flare out the roots so they're not clumped on the bottom. And add our gravel. Give it a little couple taps. Make sure that all the dirt is settled. Moving it around, make sure that the plant itself is centered in the pot. And then just work down the soil as much as you can. And we'll add a little bit more soil. That should about do it. And then I'm just gonna finish it off with a little top dressing. Okay. And there we go. All done. I think that's a nice looking plant. The ribs on here are beautiful. I like Gymnocalcium. And I can't wait to see the blooms if it does bloom. It looks healthy enough. So there we have it. Very easy cactus to plant. We use a lot of gravel, so that makes it easier. It's not soil, and these tend to thrive in this type of soil. The mixture that I make, rock and sand and granite and pebbles and perlite and pumice. Got a ton of stuff in here. So there, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, I hope you leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That always helps. Comment if you like. I read my comments all the time and I'll reply right away. Until next time, thanks.